And I'm Dr. Deuk, CEO and founder of the Deuk Spine Institute, pioneer of the Deuk laser disc repair, the Deuk plasma rhizotomy. I'm here with my patient who traveled to Deuk Spine Institute to have back surgery. He's been suffering for back pain for some time now. And tell us about your back pain before your surgery.
So for the past 2+ years, I haven't literally been able to walk more than 50 feet. I had pain medicine they had me on. My doctor sent me to a spine surgeon. They gave me shots in my back, steroid shots right into the spine. Did nothing. I tried acupuncture. That helped a little bit, but after an hour or so it would wear off. And then I looked at the normal surgery, which is very invasive, and I didn't want to do that. I found Dr. Deuk online.
Tell us about how the back pain has taken control of your life over the last 2 years.
Well, it's actually been 2+ years. I gained a ton of weight because I couldn't move anymore, and I really couldn't do anything. I'm a single parent, raised my daughter alone since she's 5. She's in college now, and she's away at school. I'm home alone, so basically I had to take a pain med to go to the supermarket, lean on a cart, or use the electric cart to go shopping. Couldn't move. And I traveled for work. I used to travel extensively. I told you I have over 1 million miles flying in the air. I haven't traveled anywhere. Everything was done over the phone or Zoom calls. And now you did the surgery, 5 days ago? I walked a mile around my development the day before yesterday. Absolutely amazing. I'm in shock. All the pain, the sciatic pain is gone. They did a lot of work on me, right? How many did you, 3 discs?
We fixed your discs with one procedure. We did your piriformis, we did your facets, and we only have one thing left, which is your SI joint, which will be done today. You made it through the surgery well. Are you happy you had the Deuk procedures?
Ecstatic. I've already told a number of my friends that I'm in my mid to late 60s, and I have some friends that are going through similar stuff, not as advanced as I am. I've already told them about you.
Yeah, the problem is that a lot of people believe back pain cannot be fixed. It can only be managed. That's why they go to pain management doctors who cannot fix back pain. But Deuk Spine Institute, we cracked the code. We discovered the cure to back pain and neck pain, and that's why you found us, and that's why you came here and trusted us.
Thank you. You saved my life. You give me my life back.
It's my pleasure. That's what we do. Now go out there and enjoy your life.
Yes,
All right.
I really do.
All right.
Thank you.